And today, we're going to be smashing this thing because it doesn't work. And you got to wear safety glasses.
Very good.
So first, which weapon should I use, Helen? Yes.
I think the one in your right hand.
This one?
Is that your right hand?
This one?
Is that your right hand?
This one. Right.
All right. All right, I'm going to step back. Flip it over. Use the curve end.
I'm not touching it. Damage.
Oh.
Try to do it with the back of it.
Yep, there you go.
How about this? Running. Alright, the crowbar isn't doing too much damage.
No, it's not doing much. Let's pick a new weapon.
Alright, new weapon. This is the other one we have.
And what's that called?
It's a mallet or something.
It's a mallet.
How about we try something stronger than the mallet?
All right.
Let's see, what else do we got?
I know, it's hot. It's hot and it's
I got
sticky.
this thing.
Oh no, don't use that, sweetie.
What?
Here, I'm gonna put this on pause.
Another one?
I think so. All right, go ahead.
Alright, this time we got a pipe which I found randomly in my garage. So we're going to be hitting it with this. See the crowbar hitting this part. It's kind of hot, probably because it's sunny out. It's not doing too much damage.
No? All right, how about we do this? How about we put this on hold,
Alright.
and when Granddad gets back, we'll ask him which are the best